What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to day number 3 of the subwoofer box build. So today we're gonna continue working on this thing, and I'll show you what the plan is for today. Right now I have my beauty panel here, okay, where I'm gonna add a beauty panel on top and another beauty panel on the front right here. So today I am going to cut out my huge opening here for all the subs. Okay, I'm gonna be doing that. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start working on the front beauty panel here. I don't know exactly what type of design I'm gonna end up with here. I have an idea of what I want, but who knows, I might change it as I go. After that, I need to install LED lights. I'm gonna install LED lights. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it on both panels, top and front, but definitely LED lights is gonna be another item that's gonna be on this box. So let's get started. I already cut a couple pieces of my carpet here. That way I know exactly how much room I need on all the sides. And this is what I want, this is what I need. So I'm ready to go. I'm gonna do the same thing on the front here. That way if I need to shave off a little bit of the material for the front panel, I'm gonna do that now. So watch me do this, and we're gonna keep working on this. So here we go. Okay guys, here is a quick update on the box. I already cut out my top part here where the speakers are going to be coming out through. So I decided to go with this pattern here. Okay, so this is the top beauty panel right here. And this is what I ended up with as far as my front beauty panel. All this is just a rough cuts right now. I still need to make them nice, make them pretty, and also I need to take them to my router, the router table, so I can finish them up. So let's go do that. Let's get them ready for the LED lights. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to install LED lights on top. I don't have enough material on this side to hide my LED lights, but it is what it is. I kind of figured. So I'm just gonna be installing LED lights on this front panel here. All right, so let's get them ready for that. All right, guys. Next step is gonna be painting the port. Now I need to paint the back side of the box where the leads are gonna be located at. I need to paint this. Okay. These two are gonna be for my speakers, for my woofers. This is gonna go. This is gonna come from the amp, and then these two are gonna be for my these are gonna be for my LED lights. So LED lights, woofers. So I need to paint that now. All right. Okay guys, the box is ready to be wrapped with carpet and vinyl. So let me show you what I did with the router. It took me a minute to get it all to get the beauty panels prepared for the next step, which is gonna be carpet and vinyl. Look at me. Oh my goodness, I am a mess. Wow. Well, anyway, that's what it takes to build a custom box. All of you guys that have done it before, you guys know it takes a lot of prepping and it takes a lot of work to make it right. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'll show you what day number 3 is gonna end with the box in this stage right now. So okay guys, so here it is. So this is gonna be my top beauty panel. Okay, this is gonna be wrapped. The beauty panels are gonna be wrapped on with vinyl. So yep, this is the top. Okay, this is the top right here. Okay, next thing is going to be the I'm going to show you the front beauty panel here. And to carve out everything on the back side of this was a pain in the butt. It was a little sketchy, but I got it done. Take a look at this, guys. I think this is a masterpiece. Okay, it's coming together, guys. The box itself is going to be wrapped with black carpet. Beauty panels are going to be wrapped with vinyl. Back here I spray painted the subwoofer, the speaker leads, and my power and negative for my LEDs. Alright guys, so we're gonna call it good. This is the end of day 3. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna finish it. If it's not tomorrow, it's gonna be beginning of the week or something. One more video. Next video is gonna be done. I want to finish it on the next one, because I have a few more projects coming. So this one here, I want to be done with it as soon as possible, so I can start working on the amp and all that stuff, so I can put it on inside the 4Runner. Okay guys, so if you guys have any questions, any comments, if you need to know anything about today's video, put it down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys either tomorrow or the next day or Monday or someday with a final video of the box. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next one.